Hey, good day everyone. Today I have got my Rode mic, the smallest one, from Amazon, delivered. They packed it nicely, and today we are going to unbox it. So here's the pack. Oh, what do I have? Got the bill from Amazon. And Hitachi Media Solutions. Get your 10% discount on your first purchase. Okay, that's cool. So here's the thing. I'm just gonna push it, slide it out. So this is the Rode VideoMicro. This is how it looks. Let's open the box and see. Wow. So here it is. Let's open this one up. So, ooh, this is so fluffy. But that's the mic stand or the holder. This part goes onto the flash hot shoe portion of the camera. This is the connecting cable. Let me take it out. So the mic is here already inserted inside. Actually, this is the mic. Oops. So as you can see, this is the mic. All right, Rode mic. Looks very sturdy, feels sturdy, and I'm sure with the reputation Rode has, this is going to be a good product. So let's plug in one of the jack here. Just let me put this one back, put the muffler on. So this is my mic, the Rode mic. And what do we have here? Oh, yep, the operation manual. There's nothing much to it. This piece does not need any battery. This piece does not need any battery, and it runs on the camera's own battery, so we're not going to worry about that. Let's fix it onto the camera and see how it works. So I've got the mic here, and I have got the Sony Alpha 6400L, to which I'm going to fix the mic. Okay, so let's take off the hot shoe cover here on the 6400, and I am going to fix this one over that. So let me just loosen up the screw a bit and then nicely slide it inside. I really have to hold it nicely. Yeah, it goes in very nicely, very soft. So this is technically how my setup would look like. Now, the mic is so heavy, it's actually tilting towards the front. Maybe I need to push it a little bit more towards the back. I need to adjust the clamp. So now, I'm going to open this one up. Okay. This cable, this sound recording cable, this standard jack is going to go inside here. I'm going to switch on the cam. Oh, forgot to take the lens cap out. And I'm going to switch it to video. Oh, the setting is already switched to video. And I'm going to quickly do some camera setting. All right. Now, let's see about my camera setup. So this is my first time recording a video at 4K using my Sony Alpha 6400L with the Rode mic, the micro Rode mic attached to the top.